Hello Facebook Ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to talk about another way to contact customer support. Sometimes people think that because Meta is a billion dollar company actually, that it has good customer support. Wrong. The customer support is very bad. Sometimes when you need them, it's really difficult to actually reach them. They don't have a call center. You have to reach them through email if you have a rep, or there's other video that I have made in the really long past of using the question mark over here and seeing if you have the chat support. Meta is going through a direction that's gonna automate everything, and what is gonna be needed is creatives, and creatives is the thing that we need most right now. What is the problem? The costs. AdRoast is here to bridge this gap. With a fraction of the cost that you're gonna have by using an agency, you're gonna be able to have a lot of images and a lot of videos AI generated. How does it work? Either you're gonna put your product URL, you're gonna put an image, or you're just gonna describe what you wanna do. You're gonna select the preset that you like, or you're just gonna do it without the preset, and it's gonna generate 3 concepts for you. It's gonna roast each one of the concepts, and it's gonna give you a specific grade for each one of them. After that, you can actually choose to improve further. Same with the videos, you're gonna pick any preset that you want, and then it's gonna generate a video for you. What you're winning with AdRoast, you know, because we roast the ads before you even test them, if they have good chances to work or not, then you can improve them further. You can improve them further with AI edits or normal edits. And of course, the most important thing of all, you can use presets if you don't know how to do prompting. So, happy creating with AdRoast, and I will hope to see you inside. So, the old way is that you click on this question mark, and then on some accounts, not on all accounts, it's gonna appear the contact support. It's gonna be on the bottom or higher. I need to clarify that the one pop-up box that you're gonna see of talking with someone, or the other one that you're gonna see on the top with the face that said chat now, this is for you to find a Meta representative. So it's not gonna be something that I have a problem now, let me fix it now. It's something that you go through if you wanna get in contact with a representative. But if you have a problem, this is gonna take a lot of time, so I'm not suggesting it. I always like to have good relationship with the reps that they are assigned to the other accounts that I'm managing, because when you have a problem, you can send them an email, and a lot of times you are finding solutions really fast. So this is the way that we had until now. It's not the best, it's not working always. A lot of times I was able to find solutions really fast, other times it was taking forever.
It's been 84 years.
Other times I had to ask help from Meta reps that I used to have a relationship and do monthly calls with them for the other accounts. So it really depends. Now, there's another way that I have found out recently, and basically is by clicking the new AI assistant. By clicking the new AI assistant, you cannot only do discussions about your ads, but you can say, I want to connect with a Meta representative and all of that. I have managed to do it in one case and connect with a Meta rep, and we talked and we solved the problem on another account that was actually not letting the ads spend. This is another way that I have found, and I wanted to share it with you in case that you're having problems. Needless to say that it's better for you to have verified ad accounts so that you're gonna have the best customer support, because if you don't, you are gonna have some difficulties and it's gonna be more difficult. A lot of times you will have to talk with them again and again, explaining the situation again. Imagine that we are in a room and there are 50 people. One of them got divorced. The other one has problem with his parents. The other one was involved in a crash yesterday. So all of these people, except from the fact that they are lazy, a lot of times, they see their customer support job as if they're working on McDonald's and it's just a step for them to go into a better job. Except from that fact, there are people that are bored and they behave as if they are bots. So what they're gonna do, most of them are clueless also, they're gonna come and they're gonna see all the articles in Meta, and they will try to answer through the articles with the same answer again and again. The big thing that you need to do is that, first of all, you don't need to lose your composure. You have to be patient. You have to understand that sometimes you will have to talk with one person, another person, and explain the same things. So I would strongly suggest you to copy paste things that are really important for you, so that you can send the same message all over again. And then after that, It's up to you finding a normal, decent person that cares, and someone who is not lazy that day on the work, someone who doesn't care about just replying with the same messages all the time, someone who just really cares. It happens a lot of times. You might have the experience of talking with 6 people doing nothing for you. The 7th person is actually caring or knowing or has seen again this situation and is gonna help you. Keep in mind that maybe you will have to contact many and talk to many people. You will have to say the same things again and again, explaining the situation, and you will have to keep up with the answers that you will get. A lot of times there are completely stupid answers that makes no sense, but again, it is what it is, and we will have to work with that. That's all that you need to know. Until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.